be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another video. All right, so I'm doing a voiceover right now because something apparently was wrong with my microphone when I filmed this video originally. So you're gonna be seeing me doing different things than what it sounds like. I don't know what the hell happened, but anyway, I'm saying here that I was basically catching up on some shoes that I purchased in February and March. So I'm a little behind. And this one, I want to say I got at the beginning of February. I think that's when these came out. I won the raffle for these, and I just had them sitting there for a while. I even showed them in a previous New Balance video. So I'm a little behind, but I'm gonna go ahead and bring it to you. And I'm sorry for the audio. I don't understand what happened, man. I filmed a whole full sneaker review video, and it is just messed up. So we're gonna go ahead and bring the shoes in here. As you can see, the Made History JFG, made in the US for over 75 years. All right, you can see that New Balance box. All right, New Balance. I'm showing you everything around there. Cool box, nice quality, giggity. But going around here, you see that New Balance made in the US, and then on the front, the aged well. I didn't even see a design behind the aged well, but you can see this is a collaboration with Joe Fresh Goods and New Balance. So those are the New Balance 992. And yeah, I'm explaining everything right there. You know how I normally do it. And I got these bad boys in a size 13. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up, especially since I'm just doing the voiceover anyway. Right here, I was going over the colorway. It is a pink, tan, and clay, red suede overlays. All right, and it shows you what's underneath the top of the box there. And then look at all the laces that they give you, all kind of different colors. Green, a salmon, a blue, like an aged white pair that has like the tan colors of the shoes in there. That's very nice, man. But very, very dope shoe. And you know, we're just gonna go ahead and get into it because you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Left shoe first, baby. But here they are, the Joe Fresh Goods New Balance 992s, man. These are absolutely amazing. Look at the quality on this shoe. I know it's going really fast, but I'm sure you can see the details in the suedes on the front and the back. And one thing I didn't notice until I was presenting it to you here is the brown leather on the eyelet area there, and on the back and on the tongue. But you see all the laces and how they match, with the exception of the green and blues. You know, very earth tone like colors around the shoe. And man, it's very nice, man. I'm actually very disappointed in myself that I didn't know anything about New Balances in this manner, as far as like the running shoe variants, the 992s, the 2002 Rs, you know, the ones that are my favorites now. I didn't know anything about these shoes and their comfort levels prior to me purchasing them, man. And I'm behind, but for the most part this year, I've mostly been buying New Balances, and I've been very happy. I get all these Jordans and, you know, LeBrons and basketball shoes and stuff like that, but 9 times out of 10 when I leave the house, I'm leaving the house in something comfortable, man. But you see the insole there. It's kind of thin, but the shoes are comfortable. You see it has the New Balance and Joe Fresh Goods logo there. Pull that out, went right back in there. White laces in the shoe, kind of an off-white lace, but very good quality, man. Top-notch quality in the shoe. But you know what we gotta do? We gotta take these boys on feet. All right, so here we are on the feet with the New Balance 992 Joe Fresh Goods. As you can see, that is where my toe is, right at the tip of the mesh material in the toe box. So for me, these fit outstanding, very comfortable. Nice breathability there in the toe box area. As you can see all around the shoe, your foot's not going to be too sweaty. It's nice and soft and great breathability around there. This is my first pair of 992s. So for me, I would say if you're looking at getting a pair of these, I would recommend going true to size. Unless you're someone who wears a lot of Nikes, I would say go true to size. If you're a Nike person and you're thinking about switching over, go down either half a size or a full size, because I normally wear 14 in Nikes and these are 13 and they fit absolutely perfect. It's just Nikes usually are kind of big for me, except for Vomeros. That's a better example. If you wear Vomeros, get the same size that you wear on Vomeros in these. But if you wear a lot of basketball shoes, you know, Jordans, LeBrons, that kind of stuff, go down half a size. But anyway, very comfortable shoe, no pinching on the pinky toe or anything to make them uncomfortable. They feel outstanding to me. Like, I'm very happy with the purchase. And yeah, it's so comfortable. Look at the fabric and the materials on these things, man. These are nice on feet. As you can see to the side there, I was wearing the Vomeros, and those are very comfortable as well. One of my favorite shoes, usually what I wear when I leave the house. But let's get some coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Man, these are very, very dope shoe, man. I don't know if I showed the bottom before, but now you can see the New Balance logo there and the 992. And then you can see the traction on there. If you're going to get these to actually run in, looks like it has outstanding traction. The comfort's there already. But for me, I wouldn't run in these. These are for styling and profiling, baby. Woo! But definitely a comfortable shoe. I mean, they are a running shoe. But just look at the quality, man. Look, they did their thing on these, man. I know a lot of the times we say that shoes are very expensive, but the quality on these make these worth it, man. In my humble opinion, the quality on these definitely makes it worth it, and I give these the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, because these are just too sweet. But yeah, man, definitely recommend you going and picking up a pair of these. If you can find them, I don't think they're available on retail sites right now. I think you would have to go to the resale locations, the GOATs, the StockX, Stadium Goods, those kind of sites, if you are interested in these, because they have in fact sold out. I tried to go find them on the New Balance website, but they were not there. So if you're interested in these, sorry, the unfortunate truth of the matter is you're gonna have to go to the resale locations for these, man. But thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.